So I'll be showing you how to change the subtitles font size in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So what you want to do is press options on your controller and then go to settings. With settings highlighted, scroll down to audio and select that. Okay, now in case your audio is not selected, you can press L2 and move through these main settings to audio, and then under audio scroll down to subtitles and then go to subtitle size, select that, and then you have three sizes. You have default, and you can see on the right hand side what the default size looks like: larger and largest. So to change, you can either change to larger or change to largest, or if you find that too big, you can either go down to larger or default. That is basically how to change the subtitles font size on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.